friends, good evening. Today we have Ashmita Pandey from Conventry University. She's the representing Conventry University. She is the recruitment officer and she represents South Asia from here. So thank you for joining us here for the interview, ma'am.
Welcome.
We are really delighted to have you on board. So, to start with, ma'am, we would really want to our students to have an understanding that if you can just tell us that how Conventry University makes your campus different from the other
Hmm.
universities of UK.
Yeah, so one of the most important reasons would be for us, our students matter a lot. Rankings are there where we are like highest rank when it comes to student satisfaction. So we are ranked number one.
Okay.
So yeah, those rankings are there. But apart from ranking, for us, our student matters a lot. So we are trying to make a environment where student will be comfortable coming and studying and doing other things as well. So like when student comes to UK, along with the studies, they come for the exposure, they come for the experience, right? So apart from the studies, it's equally important for the student to make connections, get networks from the campus and meet, because our campus is recruiting students from a large number of countries. So different students from different cultures, they are coming to the university to study. So it's very important for the student as well to meet all those people who are coming from different culture, so that they can have that exposure and experience. So for that, we have recently introduced, especially for our undergrad student, so we only have like 20 hours study for the student in a week. So they just have to study for 20 hours per week. That will give them enough time to study as well. Once they have attended the class, they have sufficient time to go out, do make connection, do networking, and then study as well. So those kind of things we are doing for the student, just to make sure that they are comfortable, they are doing they are studying as well, and apart from that they are doing all the other stuffs as well. So just for that, we are trying to make sure to come up with an environment which suits the student as well, along with us. So, and I guess that is working great for us, because again, we are one of the highest rank when it comes to student satisfaction. So yeah, we are trying to do things which will suit the student better. So we are coming up with new policies and everything, just to make sure that students are, along with studying, they are getting the exposure as well. So we are trying to provide an environment where they are doing everything, experiencing everything and studying as well.
Okay, that's great to know. Our viewers will also like to have an understanding, ma'am, that what other services do you have in addition to academic support?
So when it comes to academics, again, if the student is facing any issue related to some module or something, they can always reach out to faculty members. They can always get the required help from the faculty members. Our faculty members are very friendly, so they can reach out to, if they are having any issue with the assignments or something, again, they can reach out to the team to get the support. And apart from academics, like let's say, basically that this is the main main reason, the main thing that student get once they land to UK is that they feel homesickness, right? Because coming from a land like India, where we are always surrounded with people, either we are surrounded with our families or either we are surrounded with our friends, so it's very hard for us to go to a new country where we don't know that many people. So students tend to feel homesickness and everything. So we have mental support team as well in our campus, which will help the student. So if they are like not feeling well and they want somebody to talk to, and they are feeling homesickness and everything, they can just reach out to those support groups, and then they can get the required help. So apart from that, also we have career services as well, which will help the student with employability as well. So we have those services for the students.
That is lovely to know. For all the students who wants to go to UK, please understand this that there are other options available so that you don't feel homesick. Last but not the least, because that's the more important question for each of our students, that what financial aid that you can provide or any other scholarship opportunities that you have that you provide there.
Yeah, so the scholarship would be, so scholarship is different for undergrad student and postgrad student, and it's different in campuses as well. So if we talk about postgrad students, so we have two scholarship for postgrad student. So one scholarship is Vice Chancellor Scholarship of £3,000, and the other scholarship would be Early Bird Scholarship. So there is always a certain deadline, deposit deadline for the student. If they pay the deposit before that, then they can get the Early Bird Scholarship, which is of £2,000. So if we calculate it, it's £5,000. And coming to the undergrad and the postgrad program is only there in the Coventry and London campus. And coming to the undergrad, so if the student is going for the CU campus, which is like Coventry campus or London campus, then again the scholarship is £5,000. But if they choose any course or they choose campus, CUG campus, then they can get a scholarship up to £12,000.
Okay.
So that is like 5,000 and 4,000 and then 3,000. So like 5,000 for the first year, 4,000 for the second year, and 3,000 for the final year. So the student can get scholarship £12,000 if the student goes for the CU group.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's really great. Students, please apply now. As you know, there are a lot of scholarships available. Apply now at the earliest. Thank you so much, Ashmita, for joining
you.
us here today.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so very
much.
much.